1. You have to choose a product from this list, and step 2, you have to give a rating on these products, whether it is 1 star, 2 star or 3 stars, and boom, you make money. So this is a brand new method that I've never shared before, and out of hundreds and hundreds of different ways to make money online, this is by far the best method to start making money even though you are a complete beginners. But here's the warning: results are not typical, please use at your own risk. Even though this method does not require any money or any experience to get started, but unfortunately not everyone can use this method because they simply do not follow the instruction. So I promise you, if you pay close attention and watch this video all the way until the end, and I'll be showing you step by step exactly how to do this and how you can give a very simple ratings from 0 to 10, and all you need is just a mobile phone or a computer, and you can start making money right now in as little as just minutes. And once again, this is absolutely free, and this is available worldwide in all countries in the world. Before we get into this video, can you please help me to like this video? You are absolutely amazing. And with that being said, let's get into the video. So right now, first of all, I want you to go on to this website, which is g2.com. Right here on this website, they have different categories of software, as you can see here, where people are giving ratings. Say for example 0 star, 1 star, 2 stars or 3 stars. So by giving a simple ratings on this website, you can actually get paid over and over again. Right now, make sure you pay close attention because I want to show you a real live example on exactly how to do this. So right now, when you scroll down below this website, you're gonna look for this one right here. Using a software, you're gonna write a review. So just go and click on this button right here. That's going to take you to this page, as you can see here, and there are a series of steps, as you can see here on top. You're gonna select a software or products to give a ratings, and step 2, you're gonna leave a review, and then you're gonna share them on LinkedIn, and then you can make money as simple as that. So right here, the first step is that you actually have to find and choose a products which you want to give a ratings. So as you can see here, there are different categories of software that you can do. For example, sales, marketing, design, e-commerce. So right now, I want to show you a real live example. So say for example, if you're gonna review a product in the information technology category, all you gotta do is just gonna click on this button right here. That's going to take you to this page, as you can see here, where you can find different software. So right now, when you scroll down below here, you can see there's so many different software and different products that you can simply give a ratings and make money. As you can see here, the earning opportunity is unlimited, and you can do this in less than 5 minutes. So there are plenty of options right on this website, but I'm gonna give you an example using Google Drive because I believe a lot of you guys do heard of Google Drive before. So right now, what you're gonna do next is just go and select the products by ticking on this box right here, and you can see here at the bottom you have selected one product. So right here, you can actually choose on multiple products. Say for example, you want to give a ratings on Dropbox as well. You can just go and click on this, and you can see here at the bottom you have selected 2 products. So right now, once you've selected Google Drive, I want you to go and click on the blue button right here to continue. So moving on to the next step, and this is super important. Okay, as you can see here, write a short review on one of the products that you use, and right here we actually selected on Google Drive. So just go and click on this blue button right here to start giving a ratings. So right now, before we get started, you actually have to log in or create for a free account on g2.com. So once you're created for a free account, you can actually give a ratings on this software and actually start making money. Right now, just going to click on this blue button, and that's going to take you to this page, as you can see here, where you can sign in or create for a free account. So right now, if you're new to this website, just going to click on this button right here for email. And of course, if you have a LinkedIn profile or Google profile, you can just use them to sign up for a free account, or otherwise you can just put in your email address and click on the next button, your email inbox, and look for an email with the title G2 email verification. So right there, when you scroll down below, as you can see here, let's make it official. So just go and click on the link below to join the G2 community. So right there, I just have to click on this button to verify my email address. So as you can see here, once I click on the link to activate my account, I'll go on to the next step where I can start reviewing and giving a ratings on Google Drive. So when I scroll down below, as you can see here, this is super important, right? Make sure you pay close attention, because if you do it wrongly, you might not be able to make money. Pay attention to this question: how likely is that you would recommend Google Drive to a friend or a colleague? Right now, you can actually give a ratings all the way from 0 and up to 10, which is very likely that you're gonna recommend this software to other people. Right now, in this case, I actually do love Google Drive a lot, so I'm just gonna give a 10 ratings right here, which is very likely. Moving on to the next step, title for your reviews. So right on this box, you can actually type something to express your opinion and your experience of using the the Google Drive software. So right now, I want to give you another bonus tip to help you to start making money. So if you're still watching right now, please go ahead and like this video and subscribe to this channel. You are absolutely amazing. Right there, as you can see here, this is the Google Drive software that a lot of people, they're giving reviews and giving them a lot of ratings. As you can see here, there are over 8,000 reviews provided by other people from different countries in the world. So right there, when you scroll down below, you can find more information about Google Drive, but the most important thing is that you can get some ideas on how other people, they're actually doing a review. So as you can see here, some people, they give some ratings and they actually shoot a simple videos to express their opinion. So by looking at their examples, you can have more ideas on how you can write your own reviews and give your own ratings. So right here, when you scroll down below, you can actually find some written review provided by other people, and this right here, this is actually the title of the review, which is best experience, and this is the rating that provided by this guy right here, and they're gonna explain more about what do they like about Google Drive and what do they dislike about this software. So by going through the reviews provided by other people, we can get some ideas and you can actually refer to them how they actually write a very simple reviews on g2.com, and you can do exactly the same thing and start making money. So in this case, because I give a very high ratings, I'm gonna give a title best for sharing files online recommended. So right now, moving on to the next question, you're gonna finish answering all of them in order to receive your money. So right there, as you can see here, what do you like best about Google Drive and what do you dislike? So as you can see here, this is actually pretty simple because you only have to write 40 characters, okay, 40 words for what you like about them and what you dislike about Google Drive. So as you can see here, that's exactly what I showed you. This is the title of the review, and this is what they like about this software, and this is what they don't like about this software. You can actually get a reference from a lot of other reviewers right here on this website. So as you can see here, when I scroll down below, there are literally hundreds and hundreds of other people, they're actually ratings on Google Drive and give them a very simple reviews, and they're able to make a lot of money online from different countries in the world. So don't worry about that because this is actually much easier than what you think. So right there, what do you like the best about Google Drive? I'll just say something like this. What I like best is the seamless way of saving your files, document and photos and videos, and the ability to share it with someone else despite of not having a USB drive that can cost you a couple of dollars. So this is the reason why I love Google Drive. Very short, very simple. And also right there, what I dislike about Google Drive. So I just gonna write something that could have been better is the way how to organize the file. I hope that there's a way to organize it, or maybe there is, but I have not able to check on it. So as you can see here, this is actually pretty simple, pretty short, and you can do this in less than 5 minutes. So once you're done with giving the ratings and writing a simple reviews on Google Drive, so right there, when you scroll down below, you actually have to agree on the statement above. Just gonna click on this box right here. So this is where you certify that this review is based on your own experience and is your genuine opinion of this software. Finally, as you can see here, complete all the questions above to see your grade and submit your review. So right now, you can just gonna click on the submit button, as simple as that. So once again, you can go back to your homepage and find different other categories of software that we can write a review and give a simple ratings. And you can just go ahead and choose from hundreds and hundreds of different software, give a simple ratings, write a review, and that's how you can make money online over and over again without any previous experience.